Read code question number 384, shuffle on array. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Shuffle a set of numbers without duplication. Okay, let's check with example 1. We receive numbers as 1, 2, 3. So we are able to shuffle 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. That is the same of the make the one of permutation, but we need to keep the weight. That means in this position the 1, 2, 3 able to sit here equality. So and then another is the reset. Reset is change it to original value. So 1, 2, 3. So we need to implement three things. The first, to reset, we need to keep original value, and it must be copy by value. Do not copy by reference, because if you the copy by reference, if original data is changed, all of reference value also change it. So we need to take care of it. So first, left self output is nums, and then self original is the call by value. So the copy is to make a new list and then put argument as number. Then this one and this one is different object. So if you change this one, but this one is the cannot change it, did not change it yet. So let's reset. Reset is the self output. I will put list of self original to keep original value. So return self output, and then last self. Okay, let me make a lashes. Output is self output, and then I will shuffle from the first index to the here, one of here, because if we put this is 2 and this is 3, and then this one is no need to shuffle, because this value shuffle only one thing is the same. Does it make sense? So for I in range length output -1. So let's make the index. Index is the another index to swap this one from 2. So index is I make the random value array random with I land int start from I to then output -1, the last index of array. And then I will swap output I with output index, output index with output I. Okay, now with the swap the each position value, and then return output. Okay, looks good. In this case, time complex for initialization is the constant, and then reset also constant, and then shuffle that has one iteration. So the all of the function without shuffle is constant, and then shuffle is linear time. And space is it take the linear space because it keep original value. Thank you.